In the heart of Tamil Nadu lies Thanjavur, a city steeped in the rich history of the great Chola dynasty, whose vision sculpted the very fabric of South India's golden age. This vibrant city, with its centuries-old traditions and timeless stories whispering through its streets, stands as a testament to the ambition and artistry of a bygone era. It is here, in Thanjavur, that the regal past meets the living present, creating a unique tapestry of culture and devotion. Revered as a royal city of grandeur, Thanjavur emerged as a symbol of imperial ambition and sacred devotion, where every stone holds tales of kings and gods alike. As one wanders through its ancient alleys, the echoes of history resonate with every step, guiding you towards the magnificent Brihadeeswarar Temple. At its heart, this awe-inspiring structure, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, showcases the architectural brilliance of Rajaraja Chola, who orchestrated its creation in the 11th century. The temple's soaring Vimana thrusts majestically into the sky, a symbol of divine energy and creativity, while the intricate sculpted murals narrate stories of devotion and valor. Constructed from granite, its sheer scale and symmetry leave visitors spellbound, as each corner of the temple reveals elaborate carvings that showcase not just artistry but the spiritual connection the Cholas held with their deities. The sunlight filtering through the towering pillars dances upon the polished stones, casting ethereal glows that enhance its sacred aura. But Thanjavur isn't merely a collection of temples and monuments, it is also the birthplace of the exquisite Tanjore bronze idols. Each idol, crafted with painstaking precision, brings divine form to artistic finery, reflecting the spiritual fervor that envelops the city. The artistry in these bronzes captures the essence of the divine, serving both as objects of worship and as expressions of unparalleled craftsmanship. Adding to the city's artistic legacy are the famed Tanjore paintings, renowned for their vibrant colors, intricate designs, and the opulence of gold leaf that adorns their surfaces. Each painting tells a sacred story, rich in spiritual symbolism, inviting viewers to step into a world where art and devotion are inextricably linked. The labor of love behind every stroke echoes the chants of the artisans who poured their hearts into these masterpieces, a legacy that continues to be celebrated and cherished. Under the patronage of the Cholas, Thanjavur flourished as a nerve center of learning, with ancient libraries like Saraswati Mahal safeguarding a treasure trove of knowledge. Here, scrolls and manuscripts, preserved through generations, whisper the wisdom of ancient scholars, philosophy, and the arts. Scholars and students alike roam its halls, seeking enlightenment and inspiration from the rich literary heritage that resonates in the air. As one strolls through the present-day Thanjavur, the streets pulse with life. The melodious strains of Carnatic music drift through the air, intertwining with the rhythmic beats of Bharatanatyam, echoing the vibrant cultural fabric that continues to thrive. Age-old rituals are performed with grace, where the past meets the present in a harmonious blend, allowing the echoes of tradition to reverberate in every celebration and ceremony. Thanjavur has gracefully preserved its living traditions while embracing modern vibrance, where local markets thrive beside ancient temples, and the spirit of the past infuses the daily lives of its people. The city stands as a radiant bridge between royalty and devotion, art and architecture, past and present, each element interwoven into the heartbeat of its culture. In this episode of Bharat Treasures, we explore Thanjavur not just as a city but as an enduring soul, resonant with creativity, devotion, and knowledge. Through its landscapes and artistic expressions, it invites us to engage not just with its history but with its living essence, a reminder that some treasures are eternally vibrant, like the heart of Thanjavur itself, always welcoming, always alive, and ever radiant with the light of its rich legacy.